Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I really wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Another amazing, beautiful video collection and ideas of mannequin trees for your Christmas. For this Christmas, you guys can watch easily in this video collection. Really amazing and beautiful ideas you will watch. All our latest amazing and beautiful actually. So my dear viewers, if you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, so do click the subscribe button firstly and then the bell icon for the notifications of my all latest videos updates. Will never miss any video and collection if you guys will subscribe it and click the bell icon too. Easily you can watch all videos through notifications. Latest amazing and beautiful ideas you can watch only on my channel Street Fashion. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you just like my previous videos and ideas, the mannequin trees designs, how you guys will decorate it, the decoration stuff, the things you need to decorate it, all type of beautiful ideas you can watch in this video. So watch this video till the end and share with me your reviews, your ideas in comment section. You like my videos and things which I bring for you and what you guys want to watch in my next upcoming video. Share with me your ideas as well. So I will try to bring that collection for you peoples. Hopefully my every video will be helpful for you and you will get many amazing stunning designs and ideas through my channel and videos. Thank you for watching my this video collection. I will be back again with my another amazing video.